Hello, this is the 7th episode in the series, Reasoning There's a God. By using the universe as a scale to measure against, we've determined the Creator must be all-powerful, all-knowing, have an unchanging nature, and finally, there can only be one Creator of the universe. But can a physical universe be used to measure an immaterial Creator? The Creator is supernatural, which means He is before and beyond our perception of space and time. Ultimately, this means it's impossible for us, on our own, to know for sure if the Creator exists. I'm going to call this last attribute His unsearchable nature. Science investigates natural things, not supernatural things. A theory may even seem scientific, like the multiverse. But what proof can there be for worlds beyond the physical universe? Without evidence, all theories about the supernatural can never rise above mere conjectures. Our reasoning fails. It would be impossible for science or mathematics to prove God's existence. I like to illustrate this attribute in this way. The Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. How much can Mona know about Leo? Mona may be able to understand up to the four corners of her own world and everything about it. But at most, all Mona can know about her Creator is the tip of his paintbrush. Now, how much does Leo know about Mona? He knows every brushstroke and can even see beyond her world, because he made her. These attributes I've discussed in this series, at maximum, would only be the tip of our Creator's paintbrush. And from the Creator's perspective, our universe would be a finite canvas. There could never be physical evidence, and logic alone could never prove the Creator's existence. Yes, from our perspective, the universe indeed seems fine-tuned. I know the world around me is masterfully constructed, down to the inner workings of the atom. This causes me to pause and wonder. This all couldn't be by mere chance, could it? Even Isaac Newton famously said, "The thumb alone would convince me of God's existence." Creationists try and use logic to prove God's existence. At most, though, a valid argument would only mean the idea of a Creator would be worth considering. Reasoning, though, would only be the first step. So what's left? Should I turn and rely on my own feelings to decide if God exists? I don't think so. My feelings can be uncertain. What I feel today may be different than how I feel tomorrow. And that wouldn't change whether the Creator exists or not. In the end, I hope I can provide believers with more reason outside of our fleeting feelings. What chance is there to know the Creator exists or not? There's only one remaining possibility, which can definitively indicate the Creator exists. The Creator would need to reveal Himself to us. The reveal would be like Leonardo da Vinci entering his creation to show himself to Mona. Only in this way can the Creator confirm His supernatural nature as well as His other attributes. Then, I can say, I've logically reasoned the nature of His existence, and He has provided me with the evidence to say He truly exists. If the Creator never revealed Himself, then His existence is a moot point, because we could never know on our own. In conclusion, a supernatural being must demonstrate these 5 attributes to show He is the Creator. He must have power above and beyond the physical universe and demonstrate His power over the laws of nature. His supernatural knowledge must be beyond what is physically obtainable and demonstrate His foreknowledge of the future. The Creator established the precise laws of nature, and these laws remain ever fixed. The Creator must have an unchanging supernatural nature and must demonstrate His unchanging attributes over the course of time. There can only be one Creator of the universe who embodies these attributes. The Creator must be supernatural, beyond this physical universe, and not part of it. Only through Him, revealing Himself with these attributes, can we say He exists. So how can the Creator reveal Himself? What would this reveal look like? In the next episode, I'll discuss where to look to find the evidence. So brace yourselves for that. Now that I've covered these 5 attributes, what do you think? There are several other attributes I didn't include in this study. Do you think there are some others we can determine from the universe? Are there any you think I should have excluded from this list and why? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd like to thank all of you for sticking with me through these episodes. Next time, I'll start discussing how the Creator can demonstrate His attributes. Take care, and goodbye for now. I'd like to share again one passage from Isaiah. Notice, this first starts with comparing our intellect with God's. It shows we need much more than our own reasoning. By the end of this passage, it points to the evidence we need. Seek the Lord while He still may be found. Call to Him when He is close at hand. Let the wicked abandon their ways, and those who are evil their thoughts. Let them return to the Lord, so that He may have mercy upon them, and to our God, for He is rich in forgiveness. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, nor are your ways my ways, says the Lord. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts above your thoughts. For just as the rain and the snow come down from the heavens, and do not return there until they have watered the earth, making it fertile and fruitful, giving seed for the one who sows, and bread for those who eat, so shall my word be that issues forth from my mouth. It will not return to me unfulfilled, but it will accomplish my purpose and achieve what I sent it forth to do. Isaiah 55:6. Thank you for watching.